Tired of your DualShock 4 controller feeling like a paperweight when you're trying to dominate on PC? Let's fix that. First up, let's close Ds4Windows completely. Make sure it's not running in the system tray either. While you're right-click the icon there and select Exit. Next, open Device Manager. You can search for it in the Windows search bar. Expand the Human Interface Devices section. Look for anything that says Wireless Controller, HidHide Compliant Game Controller, or something similar related to your controller. Right-click on it and choose Uninstall Device. Make sure to check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device, if it's available, and then click on Install. Now, navigate to your Ds4Windows installation folder and run the Ds4Windows X as an administrator. Right-click the program and select Run as administrator. You should see a window. Click Step 1, Install ViGEmBus driver and follow the prompts to install. This is crucial for Windows to properly recognize your controller. Next, click Step 2, Install HidHide driver. This will hide your real controller and allow Ds4Windows to emulate an Xbox 360 controller. Follow the prompts. Finally, restart Ds4Windows. If all goes well, your controller should now be detected, and there you have it. Happy gaming!